little Saffies, welcome back to another video, and guess what we're doing today? Oh yes, Queen, okay. So today what we are doing is, diamond grinding. I'm gonna try to get as many diamonds as I can, because I need them to buy the winter boots. My friends have them, and I need them too. So wait, okay. So this is the plan. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna give random color. Okay. Let's put on, okay, first of all, let's put on this one, 2, and these things, and okay, and then alright. So wait, hello. Okay, so I also learned something really cool. Okay, so look at this. See, look at this really ugly hairstyle. Go up here, bangs. Click on whatever one you want. Look at this. Look how much cuter this hairstyle is. It looks a bit better, to be honest. But now what I can also do is go here, girl, and literally just like go ham on whatever I want to wear for hair. And isn't that freaking so cool? Okay, wait. This one. Okay. I want to do the really light hair because it's prettier. Time to do faces. Beautiful. And we are done. You know what, guys? You know what my plan is? Let's make this a gray. Oh my gosh. This is literally perfect. But honestly, guys, I really don't like the remodeling of these wings. I actually really don't like it. I preferred the old ones because they were much cuter and much more detailed. They just made them kind of uglier and less detailed, and that's what I don't like about it. No offense, but I just don't like the remodeling of these wings. I think they looked much better before they were remodeled. Anyways, so if you don't understand what I'm saving up for, if you don't like really get it, I'm saving up for this, or this. So one of these 5, or wait, one of these 4. Sorry, I meant to say one of these 4. I have these, and I'm gonna save up to buy these afterwards, but the real ones I'm looking for that I'm actually gonna wear are these. I'm buying these today. But as you can see, that's not going to be too big of a deal, because I earn diamonds like that. Okay. Also, do not forget to check out my main channel, Beanie Boo Art Animation Studios. That's where you actually get to see what I look like, what I sound, well, basically just much more than usual. And I actually like if you get what I mean. I do take this seriously, but so honestly, because I can't buy diamonds, I don't usually get Robux, and I usually never have that much either. Or this much. Or this much. Or like, I can't buy any of these things. The only one I've ever purchased in my life, and this was once, was this one. Once. I bought the cheapest option once. Same thing in Adopt Me. I bought the cheapest option for Adopt Me bucks for the cheapest price. And once again, $1. Only the cheapest one, the cheapest section, cheapest item, cheapest thing in the catalog. I don't know. I'm really excited because I'm at level 170. As you can see, I play Royal High almost every day now because of the new things that are coming back. So yeah. So I'm being a light fairy. This girl is a dark fairy, I'm guessing. But how are you a fairy if you don't got wings? Huh? I look like an angel fairy. Literally. I bought the Fly Game Pass and I can't even fly here. I noticed that a long time ago, but that is a ripoff. You should be able to fly in every realm, especially when you buy the Game Pass. They should make a fly in every realm Game Pass, to be honest. And they shouldn't make it that expensive, because you should be able to fly in every realm. It would be so convenient to be able to fly up here and stuff. Do they not want you, like, flexing your moves or something? Doom, blum, dum, 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 This is ridiculous. Oh, I sit very elegantly. Hello. My face, the face, is like magical. Whoever made that face is such a good design artist. Also, have you noticed that all the best creations are actually not created by the creator of the game, but by my favorite creator, Tsukimeki. Look. Tsukimeki. Oh, okay, Tsukimeki. Oh, what's this? Who made these? Does it even show? By Lizzie Winkle. R.I.P. Lizzie Winkle. By Tsukimeki again. Look how great her creation is. Once again,
you know what
by...
means?
Yes. But once again, like, Tsukimeki is a huge creator then. That means that she created, so Call Me Bob created 1, 2, just 2 of these things, but the rest are created by either Lizzie Winkle or Suki Meki. And personally, those are my 2 favorite creators. Because, I mean, also, is this Lizzie Winkle's work? I'm pretty sure it is, because that's what I'm seeing appear on the screen. Yeah, Lizzie Winkle. These are some of my favorite shoes, and I've been wanting to buy these non-stop. This is why she's my second favorite creator. Well, basically my favorite creator. I mean, she was like really young, but look how good she was at designing stuff. So cool. And once again, Suki Meki. This is my favorite pair of heels, like that are like big boots, by Suki Meki. Oh, wait, let's look at skirts now. See who created these? Let's see. Can you even see if they're like this? Ocean Orbs. Good job, Ocean Orbs. I liked your Suki Meki. Suki Meki. Suki Meki. Suki Meki. Suki Meki. Suki Meki. Lizzie Winkle. Sorry, but this is probably like my least favorite skirt, but I do think it's okay. It's cute. It's cute. Okay. Why are the old dresses not showing up? About like who made them? What the heck, dude? Okay. But you know what? Okay. Okay. Wait. Cole Meki. Didn't say who that one was. Okay, but so like other than that, okay. So we're going down the aisle. But most of those creations were by Suki Meki and Lizzie Winkle, which is why they're my favorite creators, because they actually like created the best majority of things in the catalog, I'm pretty sure, to be honest. But yeah, I'm sorry, but that hairstyle is so freaking ugly. And that face, I'm sorry. Your outfit is cute, honey, but the shirt, the face, and the hair has to go. Like, literally go. Right now. July, please vote me, please, or not. No. I don't like this girl. I'm not voting for her. She's just trying to get votes. Not good. I don't like you, ma'am. If you're gonna try to get votes. No. I'm next to the rich girl. Like me. I'm rich. Like her. I'm kind of sad that I can't be a tall mama anymore. They made these short and these short. But mostly these shorter. These were made shorter. The ones I'm wearing. Anyways. You know what? So guys, I just realized my recording is almost over. So I have a couple more seconds to go. And then yeah. So I guess thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, my little saffies. Anyways, goodbye.